I didn't believe it either. A video of a single fish swimming pulled 125 million views, no camera, no face, just one AI tool. Then I found another at 65 million and a third at 18 million, all exploding on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. These are the simplest videos you've ever seen, and that's exactly why they work. In this video, I'll show you the precise step-by-step way to make one yourself with a single tool, and by the end, you'll be ready to start your own faceless channel. Let's go! To make this video, we're going to use Higgsfield AI, and the best part is, it runs as a plugin right inside Adobe Premiere Pro, so you can generate everything without leaving your editor. First, the link to Higgsfield is in the description below. Click it, go to the Higgsfield site, and open the plugins page. You'll see options for After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Figma. Click Premiere Pro, then hit the download button. Now, this part depends on your computer. If you're on Mac, it's easy. Open the file you just downloaded, drag Higgsfield into your Applications folder, and double-click to run it. It finds Premiere Pro automatically. Done. If you're on Windows, you need one extra free tool called the ZXP installer. I'll leave that link in the description too. Install it, open it, click File Open, select the Higgsfield plugin file you downloaded, and click Open to install it. Once that's done, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Now that the plugin's installed, open Premiere Pro, go to Window in the top menu, hover over Extensions, and click Higgsfield. The panel will open up. The first time you open it, you'll need to sign in. Click Continue with Browser. It'll jump to your web browser, where your Higgsfield account is already logged in through your Gmail. Just confirm and authenticate, and it'll connect you back to Premiere automatically. Once you're signed in, the Higgsfield panel opens right inside your editor. It floats as a tab, so you can drag and drop it anywhere you like. I've parked mine on the right side, so it sits next to my timeline. And look at everything you've got in here. Generate for making videos and images from a text prompt. Draw to edit for sketching changes right onto a clip. Edit video. Reframe to crop to any aspect ratio. Remove background. And upscale to push your footage up to 4K. All of it right inside Premiere, no other tools, no switching apps. Now, to actually create the video, we're going to use one more free website, Claude AI. The link is in the description. First, copy the prompt I've left for you in the description. Paste it into Claude and hit send. Claude will instantly give you 10 topic ideas for your ocean animal video. Pick whichever one you like best, paste it back into the prompt box, and send it again. This time, Claude gives you two things, your full script at the top, and right below it, a ready-made video prompt for generating the clip. That video prompt is what we feed into Higgsfield, so copy that video prompt. Then head back to the Higgsfield panel inside Premiere Pro and click Generate Video. Paste the prompt straight into the box. Now set up your settings. Click the model drop-down and choose Sedance. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for short form. Pick your video length and choose your resolution. Then hit Generate and give it a minute. Your clip is now being created right inside your editor. And there it is. Your video's ready. Just drag and drop it straight onto your timeline. Now to make your next clip, it's the same quick loop. Go back to Claude, grab your next prompt, copy it, come back to the Higgsfield panel in Premiere, paste it in, leave your settings exactly as they are, and hit Generate. Your next clip starts building. That's how fast it is. I made 3 clips this way in just a few minutes. Now let's say you've got a clip and you want to change or edit something in it. Here's how. Click the back arrow to return to the main Higgsfield menu. You'll see all your options again. To edit a clip with AI, click the Edit Video option. Then select the clip you want to work on from your timeline. Here's my clip. It's a simple shot of a fish, but the background is just plain black. I want to fix that. So in the prompt box, I'll type something like, add a realistic ocean background behind the fish, with water all around it. Then I choose my model, set my aspect ratio, and click Generate. Give it a minute, and check this out. Look at the before and after. It went from a flat black background to a full, realistic underwater scene. That's the power here. You can literally change anything in your shot with AI, and the quality is genuinely high. There are even more tools in the panel, going left to right. Here's a really useful one, Reframe. Say you've got a vertical 9:16 clip, but you want a horizontal 16:9 version for long-form YouTube. You don't have to reshoot or recrop anything. Just open the Reframe tool, select the clip you want to convert, and pick your target aspect ratio. There are loads of options in here. I'll choose 16:9, click Generate, and within seconds you've got a clean, high-quality horizontal version of the same video, ready to go. There are still more tools in here. Next up is Remove Background. Click the Remove Background button, select the clip whose background you want to change, and tap it. The plugin pulls the subject out cleanly and drops the old background instantly. Then you can put literally any new background behind it. So let's say my clip has just one fish on a plain background, and I want a busier scene, more fish swimming around it. I click Remove Background, then Create, and type my prompt for the new scene. I hit generate, and after a moment, watch this. My clip's ready, and now there are loads of fish swimming back and forth behind my main fish. That's exactly the prompt I gave it, and the video came out perfectly. And there are even more tools packed in here, all inside Premiere. Let me quickly run through them. Image generation, type a prompt, and it creates images right inside your editor, perfect for thumbnails or extra visuals. Upscale, this one's powerful. It boosts any clip up to 4K or even. And it's not just stretching pixels, it actually recovers real detail. So if you've got a rough, low-res or grainy clip, you can clean it up and make it look like proper high-quality production footage. Draw to edit, this is the fun one. You literally sketch right on the frame to tell Higgsfield what to change. Want to remove an object? Brush over it, it's gone. Want to add something or replace a whole area? Just draw it in. It's AI inpainting working right inside Adobe. Now drop that last clip onto the timeline with the others. Once all your generated clips are on the timeline, line them up and adjust them so they flow together in the right order. Next step, the voiceover. For this, head to the Higgsfield website and click the audio section. Copy your script from Claude, click the voice option, paste your script into the prompt box, and choose the voice you want. Hit generate, and your voiceover is ready at the top. Download that voiceover, bring it into Premiere Pro, and add it to your timeline under your clips. And that's it. Your video is done. Now just click export, and your video is ready to upload. Post it to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, anywhere you want. I'll drop all the prompts I used in the description below, so make sure you grab those. And that's the whole process. From a blank timeline to a finished, viral-style ocean video, all with basically one tool. No face, no expensive software, no juggling 10 different apps, just like I promised at the start. Now, the videos I showed you at the beginning pulling 125 and 65 million views, they didn't just get lucky, they're posting consistently in a proven niche. So if you want my full list of the best faceless niches that are blowing up right now, comment ocean below and I'll send it straight to you. And if this helped you, hit subscribe. I drop a new faceless channel breakdown every week. Now go make your first one.